You can do it too! Episode 1. What's in your school bag? Good morning! It's a very nice day. This is May. She is in grade 4. She likes her red school bag. Can you guess what's in her school bag? This is May's school bag. Please repeat after me. School bag. One more time, please. School bag. Let's see what's inside her school bag. Let's make it exciting. Let's play a game. Can you guess what's this? Good job! Scissors. Please repeat after me. Scissors. One more time, please. Scissors. What about this one? Can you guess? Good job! Ruler. Please repeat after me. Ruler. One more time, please. Ruler. Let's try this one. Can you guess? Good. Pencil. Please repeat after me. Pencil. Pencil. You're doing great. Please guess this one. Good. Eraser. Please repeat after me. Eraser. One more time, please. Eraser. Please try to guess this one. Good job! Notebook. Please repeat after me. Notebook. Notebook. Can you guess our last item? Wow! Nice! Pencil case. Please repeat after me. Pencil case. Pencil case. Good. Let's review. Please repeat after me. School bag. School bag. Scissors. Scissors. Ruler. Ruler. Pencil. Pencil. Eraser. Eraser. Notebook. Notebook. Pencil case. Pencil case. Good job! This time, let's say goodbye to May. She will now go to school. Goodbye, May! Thank you! How about you? What's in your school bag? After this video, please get your school bag and see what's inside. I'm sure you can do it too. That's all for now. Goodbye. See you next time.